Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. District Legal Services Authority has released a notification which is in Mangalore. It is a district court complex. Notification in view of the office letter KSL ACA dated 7/8/2020 of Karnataka State Legal Services Authority. Applications are invited from the candidates who are voluntarily willing to work as paralegal volunteers. The applications are required to specify the place of preference of their work, district level, taluka level and village level. The following persons are entitled to apply: teachers, retired government servants or senior citizens, MSW students and teachers, Anganwadi workers, doctors, physicians, law students, members of non-political services oriented NGOs and clubs, members of women neighborhood groups, Maitri Sangams and other SHCs, including marginalized, vulnerable groups, any other persons whom the DLSA or TLSC deems fit to be identified as PLVs. So the number of PLVs to be appointed at Mangalore 20, Bantwala 10, Puttur 10, Sulia 10, Beltangadi 10. So the work of PLVs doesn't carry any salary, remuneration or wages except honorarium to be fixed by the DLSA from time to time. So this is in Kannada. The mail ID is here. Thank you for watching.